Many people think rest is laziness. But when you're living with chronic pain, fatigue, stress, inflammation, poor sleep, or long-term health conditions, rest becomes essential, not optional, essential. In this video, I want to introduce you to another one of my 3 key concepts for improved health: rest. Not quitting, not doing nothing, restoration. Hello, if you're new here, I'm Tiffany Anderson. I create content focused on realistic wellness, nourishment, rest, gentle movement, and sustainable healthy habits for adults wanting to improve their health gradually. And honestly, rest is something that many adults struggle with, especially those of us who are managing chronic conditions. We often feel pressure to push harder, stay productive, ignore exhaustion, and keep going, even when the body is clearly asking for relief. But eventually, the body speaks louder. Sleep has the power to rejuvenate us mentally, physically, and emotionally. But restful sleep can often feel like a long-lost friend for many people. Maybe you struggle to fall asleep. Maybe pain wakes you repeatedly. Maybe stress keeps your mind racing. Maybe you wake up exhausted no matter how long you've stayed in bed. I understand that struggle. Getting enough sleep has been a challenge for me since childhood. And over the years, I've learned that improving sleep often requires improving the environment around sleep, not just hoping exhaustion eventually wins. Something else I think is important to understand is this: rest and sleep are connected, but they are not exactly the same thing. Yes, we rest while we sleep, and we can also rest while we are awake. You can rest while sitting quietly outside on a summer evening. You can rest while listening calmly to music. You can rest during meditation, prayer, guided imagery, or simply closing your eyes for a few moments during a stressful day. Rest is about giving the nervous system moments of safety and recovery. And many adults rarely experience that anymore. Now here's something that may surprise people. Gentle movement and exercise can actually improve rest and sleep tremendously. Daily moderate exercise helps to regulate mood, reduce stress, support better sleep, strengthen the body, and improve overall well-being. But overexertion has the opposite effect. And that is especially important for those of us who are managing chronic conditions. The fitness routine that I followed in my 20s, my 30s, even my 40s looks very different from the routine that I follow now. At this stage in my life, living with dual hip replacements, I've learned the importance of modifying activities to my abilities instead of forcing my body into routines that no longer serve me. My routine is simple. I walk regularly, outdoors and indoors. I stretch. I work on strength and my balance. Consistency matters much more than intensity. And if you're new to exercise or returning after a long break, please start slowly. There's no prize for hurting yourself trying to catch up. Your body's looking for consistency, not punishment. Find movement that feels sustainable and supportive. Walking, gentle stretching, chair exercises, balance work, water exercise, light strength training. Small amounts done consistently can create meaningful improvements over time. I also think that many adults carry guilt around rest, especially caregivers, parents, hard workers, or people who have spent years pushing through survival mode. Rest is not weakness. Rest is maintenance. Your body cannot continuously heal, cope, perform, and regulate stress without recovery. And sometimes healing begins with creating those small, peaceful moments throughout the day, instead of waiting for the perfect vacation or ideal circumstances that may never come. Let's talk about some practical ways to improve rest. Now, I've typed these out. I'm over 60 and memory has become to be a thing, so this helps me. These gentle tips will help you to begin improving your rest starting this week. Tip number 1, create a calmer evening routine. Dim the lights, reduce the stimulation, put away stressful content before bed, and pay attention to your morning routine. Better sleep often begins early in the day. And tip 2, move your body daily. Every light movement. That can improve sleep quality and your mood. Tip number 3, build small, restful moments into the day. Sit quietly, step outdoors, stretch, breathe deeply, and just pause when you can. And tip 4, reduce the pressure to be perfect. You do not need the perfect routine to benefit from better rest. And tip 5, stay consistent. The body responds well to regular rhythms and routines. Sleep restores, rest rejuvenates, and consistent, gentle habits can support both. If this concept resonated with you, I share additional wellness resources on my website, including guidance for better sleep, realistic healthy living, and calming wellness tools like guided imagery, meditation, EFT, also known as tapping, nutrition support, and relaxation resources. If you'd like more individualized support, I also offer coaching services and wellness guidance. Links are available in the description below. If this video encouraged you, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with someone who may need a gentler approach to wellness. And remember, rest is productive too.